Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending upon the time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim, and welcome to ReadyForex.com Elliot Wave Analysis. This is the weekly Forex forecast, which I regularly do every week on Saturday. Let me see if you guys could manage to see my computer screen, and if you do, type yes inside the chat box. Okay, and during the presentation, if you have any questions or if you need a forecast about any specific forex currency pair, then you can also type your request inside the chat box. Okay, so let's get started. At the left hand side you see a list of trading instruments that I am going to cover. Okay, so let's get started. The name of the game is to make money in forex trading. However, what I have seen is that on a regular basis, some people contact me. Like, here's the guy who sent me his trading account statement. He's losing money. And here's another one. Took a lot of trades and losing money. It's like $15,000, 15,000 euro, not dollar, loss. So the question comes that why is it that some forex traders are more successful and profitable than other traders? In other words, why people lose money in trading? Well, one of the greatest success principle is to learn forex trading from an expert. If you have education, you learn something related to trading, and the chances are you could make money in market. Okay, if you don't have the proper education, financial education, you don't know how to manage your trades, you don't know how to trade the market with money management rules to control risk, then you will lose money. And the successful traders, they learn trading. Okay, for example, I teach one-to-one online forex trading classes, and you can save yourself years of hard work. You can use my experience. Okay, and here's the offer, forex trading offer. The year 2023, most of you already know that it's about to end in few days time. So I'm going to give you guys a chance, a 50% discount offer. Okay, and this discount offer is available on all the online one-to-one forex trading courses listed at readyforex.com, and the offer is valid only for next 24 hours. So if you are interested, make a trading decision. For progress, you must decide. Okay, for those who are interested to get forex trading signals, I also provide daily forex trading signals. And if you are losing money in trading, if you see your trading account balance and overall you lost money in this year, and you might have some questions or you need guidance, then you can communicate with me. There are other ways to communicate with me as well. You can use a Skype messenger. You can send me an email as well. I also have a Twitter and Facebook account. Okay, so let's take a look at some charts and see what's going on. Let's start with the euro dollar currency pair. Okay, euro USD daily time frame. Let me see if you guys could manage to see my computer screen. If you can, just type the message inside the chat box that the voice, the audio, and the video is fine. You could manage to see it. Seems to me it's working fine so far. Okay, so let's talk about a euro dollar currency pair. The trend is down in euro dollar currency pair in daily time frame, and I told you guys that I'm expecting a possible top right over here in euro dollar currency pair, and I got it. And all of my students and Forex Signal subscribers members, they also took a sell over here, made some money. So over here we got a nice drop in price action, and then I expect a pullback, a possible sideways price action, and then market is probably going to drop more to complete bearish wave Y double zigzag leg in coming trading days. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. Price action just keep printing lower swing highs into lower swing lows. To me, euro dollar pair trend looks down in 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. Well, in 1-hour time frame, I'm basically expecting a possible pullback at 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1.0904. But like I've said before in my presentations, you do not just jump into the market at the fib level. You want the market to hit this level and then create some kind of a reversal pattern, create some kind of a a candlestick pattern maybe, and then you look for a sell trade. Because if you just take a sell trade at the Fibonacci retracement level, you could lose money as well. Maybe market just go up like this. Okay, so it is possible that price may move up, and if you just put in a sell limit, you will lose money. So you want the market to test the fib level and then show some kind of a reversal before you actually open a sell trade. Otherwise, if you just put in a sell limit, you will you could lose money. Next, let us take a look at pound dollar currency pair, GBPUSD currency pair, daily time frame. Same story going on. I was expecting a possible top in pound, and I got it. Looks like to me market is going to move some sideways for the time being. So next week I expect possible sideways price action, maybe a little bullish price action, and then market is going to resume the downtrend. In 4-hour time frame, I expect market to drop, price action just keep printing lower swing highs and a lower swing lows. So to me it's a downtrend in 4-hour chart of GBPUSD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame of GBPUSD currency pair, the way I see, I think market is most likely going to create a short-term bullish pullback at or around 0.32% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1.2589, and basically this is the wave A, B, and C. Overall, I'm counting this decline as a double zigzag corrective Elliot wave pattern to the downside. Okay. Next, let us take a look at US dollar Japanese yen currency pair. USD yen, I forecasted the top. Most of the Forex signal subscribers, they made profit. They managed to catch this move, and some of my students actually made a lot of money. They actually made more money in pound yen as compared to USD yen currency pair, which I will show you the pound yen in a minute. But the point over here is that USD yen is now going to rise up. In trading, it's called trade management. You see the profit, you take it, because market is not going to drop in a straight line fashion. It's probably going to create some kind of a pullback. So if you guys missed this sell trade, don't worry about it. You will get another trading opportunity, another trading chance once market is going to complete the pullback, and then you can look for another sell trade to trade the second leg to the downside. Okay. So overall, I think USD yen it's probably going to drop more in coming trading days. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, price action just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. So to me, it's a downtrend in US dollar yen currency pair in 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame, I'm actually looking for a possible bearish pullback. It seems to me it's an uptrend. It's actually a correction, ABC zigzag. Some people, they do not like to trade the corrective pattern, but some people, they want to trade it. Okay, but so you have a possible chance over here, but instead of waiting for a pullback and buying at the low at 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level, I would prefer to wait for a bullish breakout first and then look for a buy trade in USD JPY currency pair. It would be, I would say, a more conservative approach, a more safer approach instead of buying down over here. Next, the pound yen currency pair, GBPJPY currency pair. Guys, I told you I'm expecting a top over here. This is the wave number 5 right over here. Market has completed all the legs: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 in GBPJPY currency pair. So it's a high probability that we have seen a top in pound yen currency pair, and now market is most likely going to move sideways and then it's going to drop more in coming trading days. Now this is where you see the pound yen, it dropped 637 pips in one day. Most of my Forex Signal subscriber, they easily managed to catch 250 pips. Some even managed to make more than that out of this 600 pips trading day. And this was the low over here, which market took out on a closing basis. And after that, this was just a sell. All I see is red color. I can zoom in over here. You see, all of this is red. Okay, bearish candlestick, and this is a big body candlestick. Okay, which dropped quite dramatically. Okay, so now I'm expecting market to correct itself, create some kind of a return move, also known as a pullback. So the corrective phase is probably going to start. Is going to waste some time before we get the second leg, which is going to be the bearish wave C zigzag corrective leg in coming trading days. So if you miss the first leg, no problem. There are more trading opportunities coming next week. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen 4-hour time frame. You see price action just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. So to me, there's a downtrend going on in pound yen currency pair 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. In pound yen 1-hour time frame, wait for a bearish pullback and then look for a bullish breakout, and market's probably going to rise up to print bullish wave C zigzag corrective leg in coming trading days. Okay, give me a second. Okay, what else we have? Okay, US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, go to file, profiles, US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc as forecasted, we got the bottom right over here, and I now expect market to rise up. Now you could draw a bearish trend channel over here. Okay, and you might want to pay attention to this channel. Okay, we got this nice channel over here. Look how market tested the low and clearly bounced, and this low over here, the swing low in price action, also coincides with the previous old swing low right over here, where I'm pointing my cursor, this tomato color, this red color box over here. So let me extend this. Okay, so basically I was looking for a confluence. Okay, so we got this confluence over here. Okay, and this is a nice buy trade, and it's not I would say that some of you missed it, because if you have missed it, you can still make money out of it. Some of you may going to buy with a breakout, okay, over here. Okay, so wait for that as well. That's a conservative approach. The aggressive buy was down over here, okay, in USD Swiss franc. So the way I see, I think USD Swiss franc is going to rise up in coming trading days. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. Price action actually took out the old swing high in 4-hour time frame. So the way I see, I think it's going to move sideways for a time being. So in 1-hour time frame, I'm basically expecting a a possible bearish pullback. It might not hit all the way down to 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level, but it could go lower, and if it does, then I have a possible buy trading chance in USDCHF currency pair. Next, let us take a look at Aussie dollar, Australian dollar versus United States dollar currency pair. We got a possible wave X over here, and now market is probably going to start the decline to print bearish wave Y double zigzag leg in coming trading days. In 4-hour time frame of Aussie dollar currency pair, it took out the old swing low, so I expect market to move sideways for the time being. It's going to remain sideways, and then it's probably going to resume the downtrend. So if you take a look at 1-hour time frame, we have a possible pullback scenario trade over here at 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 0.6654. Okay, next let us take a look at spot gold. Spot gold, I forecasted the top in gold, this ugly looking candlestick right up there in spot gold, which just created a long spike, okay, and which actually took out basically the stop losses of buyers. It's a head fake, also known as a false breakout, which happens, by the way, in trading. So I knew it that it's probably going to create a false breakout just to fool traders, and now it's going to start the decline. Now, the way I see, we're trading in a corrective pattern. The wave 4 is most likely going to be a bullish triangle, bullish running triangle pattern. So it is still an uptrend overall, but we can trade these sub waves using the smaller time frame. So overall, I think spot gold is going to drop for next coming weeks or so. Overall, it's going to move sideways for next coming months before it prints a bottom, and then finally prints the bullish impulse wave 5 flag in coming trading days. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, spot gold, it took out the old swing low, so it's going sideways. As far as the trading is concerned, I'm going to look for a possible sell trade at 0.50% Fibonacci retracement level in 1-hour time frame of spot gold. The value is 2070, but again, do not just take a sell trade. It is possible that market just fire up. It is possible that price just goes up like this and you will lose money. So you want the market to first test the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and then wait for the market to turn around, create some kind of a reversal, maybe a spike or a candlestick pattern, okay, and then you take a sell trade. If the market is not going to fulfill the trading criteria, then obviously no trade. Okay, let's see Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin, this was the nice bullish running triangle, Elliot Wave pattern in Bitcoin, and to me it's an uptrend going on in Bitcoin actually, and I expect further upside. It's not going to stop over here. The wave C is most likely going to extend. Basically, the wave A, whenever wave A show clear subdivisions, then wave C usually alternate. It's usually a straight line affair and moves in a straight line fashion most of the time. So it's quite swift and sharp. And the way I see, I think it's going to rise up further before we actually get a spike and a top, and then it's going to turn around. But for the time being, it's an uptrend going on in Bitcoin. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, price actually just keep printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows in Bitcoin. If you take a look at 1 hour, I'm waiting for a possible pullback at 0.236% Fibonacci retracement level, and then look for a buy trade in Bitcoin. Last but not least is the crude oil, WTI crude oil. Okay, the crude oil, I'm kind of expecting a possible bottom over here in WTI crude oil. However, there is one problem. This correction over here is quite deep. Okay, it's quite a deeper pullback that we have seen, and it's possible that it's going to break below the support level. So the uptrend is there, but it looks weak. Okay, so it is possible that market is going to break the support level, and then I'm going to reanalyze the price action. I'm only going to wait for a breakout first above 79.42, and then maybe consider taking buy trade. Otherwise, I think this market is going to drop further. It could break the support level. The way it's just keep going down and keep uh, falling down. In 4 hour time frame, there's a clear downtrend going on. In WTI crude oil, price just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. And if you take a look at 1 hour, I think we may going to get some kind of a possible pullback over here, maybe a buy trade. But I think a good idea is to stick with the conservative approach. Do not just take a buy at 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. Wait for the market to complete the pullback and then look for a buy trade with a bullish breakout. Okay, I think that's it for the time being from my side. And here's the 50% trading offer available only for next 24 hours. Okay, and all the courses, this offer is available on all the forex trading courses listed on my website. I teach three types of different courses: the forex day trading systems course, price patterns trading course, and the trading with Elliot Wave course. So the year 2023 is going to end soon, so the offer is there for those who are interested to learn. For those who are interested in progress, or they want to change their trading methods, or they want to improve their trading performance, the offer is on the table for but it's not going to be there forever. I mean, it's only available for next 24 hours. Okay, that's it from my side. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend. See you all guys.